This is the Media Matters Minute. I'm Coleman Lowndes. ABC News White House correspondent Jonathan Karl recently reported that Representative Darrell Issa had leaked new information showing that the White House had contacted YouTube the night of the Benghazi attacks, even though this information was already reported by ABC in September 2012. But host Heather Nauert on Fox & Friends First still jumped at the opportunity to revive the lie that the administration had abandoned Americans under fire.
Well, the White House certainly hesitated to send in help for the 4 Americans who were killed in Benghazi, but they didn't hesitate to email YouTube.
Fox & Friends co-host Steve Doocy also pushed this long debunked lie on his show.
We don't have time to save the guys who have fought for us, but the night of the Benghazi attack, you know what the White House was doing? They were contacting YouTube about, hey, there's a video out there, right? This was before they sent help, which they never did.
For more on this and other stories, visit MediaMatters.org.